It's my birthday. It's my birthday. And today I had such a beautiful breakfast prepared by Max and his assistant Saga. They had, it wasn't the prettiest cake. Cake? Cupcake cake. So it was cupcakes with like icing and strawberries, and then a beautiful breakfast with like some brioche bread and all the things. But because I had a birthday party on Saturday before my birthday, Max made a strawberry cake. It was amazing. It tastes delicious. And for that party, we invited people to come here and help out. My love language is acts of service. We invited friends, neighbors, and it was so cute.
Hurrah! 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 Hurrah!
But we had a lot of help outside in our backyard, chopping wood. Oh, thank you to Johanna and her husband. Yo, Mike was just out here cutting down trees, chopping them into logs, and then breaking them down into firewood that will be ready for winter. So, oh, they're my friends, the horsies. I should go say hi to them. Oh, these flies. Okay, I couldn't bring my camera in there. I feel like it's bringing another person in the space, and I'm just trying to get a sense of everyone's energy. So I had filmed once in there with them, and it's like, it's not good. They like to like pick on me and bully me in front of the camera. So when I have my hands free from filming, I can like push them or boss them around. I have to actually. I have to literally push them out of my zone, because what I've learned about horses, they like to test to see who people are in this space, like who's the leader, and that's why I don't give them treats, at least not yet, and why I have to like get them out of my zone. Like, this is my space. Otherwise they'll bite, they'll nibble with their little lips. But these ones are way nicer than the previous ones. We had horses last year, and 2 of the horses last year were very aggressive, little bullies. Okay, so we are bowling.
You got the DJI.
Got the DJI. The day concludes with bowling. And there's an event happening here.
Is that where we went skating? Ice skating. Happy birthday. It feels so summery.
Yeah, it's so nice today. I was telling Max in the car, every year it rains on my birthday, except in Sweden. It's sunny.
Kulturskola. It's like a show.
Okay, should we go in here though? I've never been here. So a lot of people don't know that I like bowling on my birthday. I'm not like a bowling professional, but it's something I've done on my birthday. Not every year, but a good 80%. So ever since I was a kid, I went to these random bowling alleys. And I'm at another one. This time we're in Sweden. This is my first time bowling in Sweden though.
No, we did it for my
birthday. Yeah, we did. On my birthday, yeah. Right.
Vi ska låna bowlingkon.
Timme på sig. Och då är det...
Do we leave our shoes out here?
Ja.
But how come there's no other shoes there? Should we not put it in the locker?
There's no one on their thing. Oh, you want to put it in the locker? He said just leave them in that corridor. I don't
He
know.
did. Okay.
Let me see how. These are usually bigger in size, right?
I don't know.
But the mean one.
No, it looks pretty accurate. Let's see. What's 39? Because 39 for me
I don't know. So
is a... Hey.
Shoe 6? Maybe even less.
I was trying to not to
Ja,
kill.
gör du nu?
Hey, Saka.
Gör.
Hey, Lily.
Alla får strike nu. Okej, putta hårt då.
That's 44. Sometimes, these big digits like 40, 44, 50, 55, 60, these monumental years, I used to think like, yes, there's a time and place for a solo trip to Barcelona or Greece or all the things. But this year was so chill. It literally was just chill. And I think that is where I need to be. And there is no part of my being that wanted more. There is a part that's like, oh, is that it? And then I reminded myself that, Maya, you are alive. That is a gift. That's not it. That's a huge gift. So 44. Ooh, what a powerful number. Double digits. Double portion. Double blessings. Redemption. That's what I feel like that's the season 44 will bring about. The season I just got out of was just a lot of humbling. And I still want to continue to be humbled and walk in humility. But I want my restoration. The enemy stole. I believe that this is the year of redemption. That's what I believe. But what I do know that this past year taught me was to continue to soften. And not just the past year, to be honest, the last 4 years. I feel like an onion being peeled layer by layer. I feel like a baby. The beautiful lessons I'm learning as a labor and birth doula is how to give birth. What is actually physiologically happening to a woman's body in order to give birth. And what I just think is so beautiful about God's design, which is in everything, is a woman's cervix needs to soften, thin, and open in order to birth a baby. While simultaneously walking in strength, the amount of energy needed for labor, which is why we call it labor, is because it's that balance and dance of strength and softness. And so it's the softness. That is something I do not know. I did not even fathom until 40, until I became a mother. That's when I learned of this thing that some women do, which is to walk in softness and grace. I'm not talking about this hashtag soft life, or maybe I am. I don't know what they're talking about, but I know that it's a dance between being soft and being strong. And more for me, personally, walking in softness. I know I'm strong. I don't have any doubts that what I can achieve through him. But Can I stop forcing and muscling and acting like it's all in my control? That is what I've been walking out these past 4 years, and I know it will not end. And if you've been on my channel, you saw like I lost my dog of 14 years this past year. Our home was eaten by dry rot. A lot of stuff happening. Like a lot of stuff is happening. I'm a student learning Swedish SFE. I'm doing my doula training and helping as well. Photography, being a creative doula, which is something I'll talk about more on. I know that this season, 44, I'm coming. Lord, not even I'm coming. Lord, I am now asking you for my redemption. I whatever the enemy stole, because he stole a lot, sevenfold this year. At least a double portion. But your word says sevenfold. So I want my sevenfold return. And that's what I'm excited to walk into this year. I'm also excited to continue to build on this foundation of walking as a servant. I'm literally a doula. Doula means servant. To walk in that season, walk in this new chapter of softness, of serving, of strength. And we see in part. So I'm excited for when that which is perfect comes. Then that which is in part will be done away. I feel like everyone out here in the world of, both Christianity and self-help, everyone acts like they know what they're talking about. And I'm like, you sell a very convincing pitch, but I know we're in part. We're not perfect. So that allows me to continue to be humbled, because no matter how much I learn, no matter how old I become, I know there's way more to learn and discover. So I'm excited. I'm excited for what lies ahead. 44. Get into it. Let me know how old you are, or better yet, your birthday, in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you're subscribed, turn your notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video.